Kaia Gerber and Austin Butler were seen packing their suitcases into a car before leaving for LAX Airport, as a new report says the two are dating. Model Kaia Gerber, 20, and actor Austin Butler, 30, appear to be going on a trip together in time for the holidays. Photos taken on December 22 show the pair, who are newly dating, according to People, packing their suitcases into a car in Los Angeles, before driving off to LAX Airport. Kaia had on a leather suit jacket, a black top, jeans and black boots in the photos, which can be seen here. Meanwhile, Austin wore a black hoodie sweatshirt, light blue bomber jacket, jeans, and black shoes. The once upon a time in Hollywood star had a big smile on his face while walking to the car with his luggage, before traveling to an unknown location with Kaia. This isn't the first occasion that Kaia and Austin have been seen together. Paparazzi captured the pair on a walk together after a yoga class in Los Angeles on December 19. 3 days later, People reported that Kaia, who is the daughter of Cindy Crawford and Randy Gerber, is dating Austin. She seems really happy. All of her friends think he's really cute, a source told the publication. Kaia's outings with Austin come roughly a month after the model split from actor Jacob Elordi, 24. She was dating the Euphoria star for nearly a year, before Page Six reported on November 18 that the pair ended their relationship. Jacob and Kaia have both deleted photos of each other on their respective Instagram pages following the breakup. Jacob has since been spotted out and about in LA with 22-year-old beauty vlogger Olivia J. Giannulli. Related gallery. Kaia Gerber and Jacob Elordi. As for Austin, he was previously in the 8-year relationship with Vanessa Hudgens, 33, that ended in January 2020. He was first linked to the High School Musical star in 2011, though they didn't confirm their relationship until 2014. Vanessa is now dating Pittsburgh Pirates player Cole Tucker, 25.